Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check news on the Clash of Clans application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take 5 minutes when the application is uploading. Click to the paper icon at the lower right corner of the screen, and here click to the news button, the first option. And here you can check the different news, you can check the events, communities and esports, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.